It's a beautiful summer day, and I have some lovely things to cut today because some of my green beans are beautiful in size, length. They're just dying to be picked right now. So we got our handy dandy clippers. These are, what are these ones? These are my Triomphe de Farcy, I think. French beans, I'm not sure. They're all kind of like, you know, piled in here, so I don't even know what I have anymore. But I'm gonna cut a whole bunch. Some I'll keep in the fridge to have for dinner tonight, tomorrow, the next few days. And then I'm going to actually freeze up some of these too for later use. It's good to have fresh vegetables in the winter time. Ooh, these are like, these must be my, where's the signs? These are the Valentino ones. These are nice, thin French, these are the French beans here. I do have another one. I think the ones I previously cut were the Triomphe de Farcy. These are lovely. So I'll be here for a while because it's going to take me a while to sort through all this stuff. And I believe I have some of my yellow bush beans are ready to be cut too. Not many people like them, but I love they have such a smooth consistency to them. They are like butter. My mom loves them. I'm going to move this guy because he's in the way temporarily. Because my green beans are beautiful. Quite a few are ready to be cut and picked. Oh. Of course, they don't make it easy for me. These ones, they look like they're not ready, but these are French beans. So they're meant to be long and slim. I also have a bunch of yellow beans that are ready to go. I love yellow beans. They taste like butter. They're so smooth and delicate. My mother loves them. Maybe I have some purple beans too. I'm not sure. I haven't actually gone through the patch fully yet to see if any of the purple beans are ready. But if they are, I'll definitely show you them. I've never grown purple beans. I didn't even know. Well, I did know that they existed because, hell, if there are purple potatoes, there must be purple beans. But I never had one. And I'm sure they taste just like a regular bean, just purple. Some of them, from what I read too on the packages, they say that they change into a green color as you cook them, which will be interesting. Bloody hot out there, holy crap. So that was my little patch of green beans so far. There's all shapes and all sizes in there. There's probably at least another, I don't know, 2, 3 pickings, probably 2 for sure, maybe 3, 2 for sure, because I left behind a lot that weren't even close to being ready to be picked right now. But it is in the 30s today, and I am taking a fudgesicle break right now. My favorite. Then I'm going to tackle the yellow and purple beans and see what I get from there. All right, the fudgesicle break is over. I gotta put him back where he belongs. And now we're going to tackle the yellow beans and maybe purple. See, look at these guys already. They're massive, beautiful. gonna be real. I don't even know how the hell I'm gonna get in here. Okay, he's gonna have to move too. There. I'm gonna have to work around the apple tree. Oh, is it? Oh, no, not that. This is freaking Kim's jungle. It shouldn't be a garden. It's a jungle. There's one. Doesn't look like I'm going to get as many in here as I did from the green beans, but it also looks like I'm going to have to like really search through all this maze of green. It was like that in the green bean patch too. It's like you move around the leaves and you think you get everything, and then you move one small leaf and there's like 4 or 5 beans behind it. It'll be the same thing here, it looks like. So I'm not going to bore you with me searching through this mess. That was almost fun. Like, I got bit twice in the yellow bean patch by something, probably a mosquito. Itches like hell, so it's probably a mosquito. But that's what I got. It's not as much as the green beans. Some of the purple beans I could have let grow a little bit more. Like this has a bit of green left on it, but I like little guys like this because they will taste nice and sweet. This, I think, was the oldest purple bean that, you know, you don't check your stuff often enough, and this is on the verge of being like not tasty because the seeds get hard, they get stringy, whatever. It's an experiment. But the yellow beans are beautiful. Some of them I picked a little too early, but that's okay. They still taste really good. Like I said, they're like so buttery sweet. But it's another break. This time it's the blue popsicle break because it is bloody freaking hot out here today. I don't even, oh yeah, I know what I have to do next. I got some beets to uproot. Still want to plant a row of carrots, but I think I'll wait till the evening and do that. I'll brave the mosquitoes later in the day. And I have to clear out the lettuce patch because the watermelons need to expand. We were going to grow them on the vine, but Juan is actually 100% convinced that we aren't getting any watermelons this year because they're not growing like they did last year for some reason. The weather's been really warm for the most part, but anyway, give things a chance, give them the space. Maybe they'll go into warp speed and we'll get a watermelon. So I'm still on blue popsicle break. We'll see you in the garden soon.